Yo guys, it's your boy Fabian back again with another video. It's the third vlog from my trip to Saint Lucia, and today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be going horseback riding. Yes, we're going horseback riding. We're going to be taking a couple of horses and we're just going to ride the horses basically, so let's see what happens. Also, what I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few clips from around the hotel where I'm staying at, so you guys know what it was like basically, just because I'm not too sure how much content there's going to be when it comes to the horse riding. So yeah, I thought I'd fill it out as well with what the hotel was like. But before we get into the vlog guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment below, all of that good stuff, because that will really help the channel. Make sure you check out the last two vlogs as well, because I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. But yeah, let's stop with the talking and crack on with the third video. Let's go ride some horses. Let's go.
You have to put this on first.
I think it's a good look. I think it's a good look. Yeah?
How good for you guys? Like once, twice, couple times?
One time.
Yeah.
All of us one time, and it was the same time.
I like it.
He's the heaviest.
Don't you worry, I got something for everyone.
What was the name of this one? Big Man.
Big man?
Which one's you good at? Left, right? The right hand, the left hand?
Right-handed, right-handed.
Alright, hold it to the right hand. No, shot like this.
Here.
No, turn your hands around. Hold it that.
Like that.
Go right.
And
Go
this,
left.
oh, okay.
Stop.
How old is Big Mama? $14. 1-4.
These guys sleeping standing up.
Sleeping. She just decided to go for a walk. for a snack. Oh. Yep. Snack time. Snack time. Oh.
You don't want to get them too far, because when they see us too far, sometimes they try to rest.
Let's go. Yep. Yep, that's enough snack time. There we go. Gains. Okay, no more, no more. Keep going. Let's go. No, no. Okay. Oh, snack time again. Okay. Yep. No, let's go. Let's go. No. No. Oh, no. No. No, no, no. No, don't do it. No. Let's go. Yep, let's go. Okay, not too deep because I have the camera.
Jump down.
I want to get off. Just like stop. How? You know this side? I cannot.
We're gonna be a short. No, stop.
Hey. Okay, you're gonna have to get off because you're gonna make me fall now. Okay, so we went horse riding in the sea and that did not go as planned. It was me and my dad, and yeah, there was no saddle and it was a bit difficult, so my dad wanted to get off. But yeah, nice experience though. Say the content might not be there when I was on the horse in the water, but it is what it is, man. Nothing I can do about that. That was difficult.
I think you're gonna lose. Miss. Oh. Go on, Trey Bolton, you got it. Oh, maybe not. Third time's a charm? No. I'm not very good at this. No. On the first try! Wow!